好，我依家咧係喺雅加度旅行緊，同一家人，咁就想同大家講一講咧關於有間學校，咁咧係我哋成功幫咗一位朋友幫佢仔仔咧係入咗去呢一間私間學校，斯本附近啦，一個地區叫Seixal。陣間咧我哋會去片咧就介紹下講關於呢一間學校嘅。咁佢係一間幼稚園同小學嚟嘅，咁雖然係私家，但係咧我哋最中意佢嗰個服務咧就係佢有個好細嘅班數啦。Yes， you want？ 可唔可以玩我電話？咁咧嗰個班數咧係好細嘅，同埋咧佢係因應小朋友嘅學習能力啊，同埋佢嘅適應能力咧而去定個班數嘅，即係意思咧係佢冇年齡限制嘅每一班。咁咧聽落去好似好 free 嘅嗬，咁當然咧葡萄牙讀書咧都係好 free 嘅啦，冇功課，冇好少壓力，有啲功課啦，但唔係好多壓力。大家小朋友嘅開心指數，而唔係因應佢哋讀書排嘅名次啦，係我本人嘅意見啦。但係咧當然每個家長都唔同，咁我哋陣間咧可以睇下片啦，睇下呢啲小朋友幾唔開心，或者係自由學習啦。咁就講住咁多先，再見。
Welcome to Seixal International School. In an increasingly global world, a school on a human scale appears, educating children from the four corners of the world, where being different is the rule and we find cultural and linguistic diversity. From the kindergarten to the end of primary education, children learn from a mixed curriculum that integrates mathematics, English, science, social studies, Portuguese, arts, ICT, and physical education. It also offers several extracurricular activities such as karate, chess, ballet, performative arts, and robotics, and so many others. Designed to work with the small classes and an educational philosophy based on positivism, it is a familiar school in which everyone feels are part of it and are valued for who they are. Seixal International School becomes a second home, a second family. Offers a very extended schedule, cafeteria service, personalized school transportation, and therapeutic support such as psychology or speech therapist. Seixal International School aims to be the family support needed. Fluent communication, whether in Portuguese, English, or through digital tools, an ecological awareness that allows to form conscious and environmentally sustainable citizens, and the development of emotional intelligence alongside the cognitive one. These are the goals we set out to achieve along the children's educational path. Using new technologies, practical methods, and active and meaningful activities that place students at the center of the teaching-learning process, each child is encouraged to be their best version. Teachers, educators, and other educational professionals really care about each child, and they feel that. It is intended that students can have an active and responsible role in their learning process. We want them to be explorers, to venture into knowledge, and that their journey, at the very least, is memorable. Ready to explore?